Thank you po, Kuya Ed. Ingat na tayo dito. Ano? Magandang umaga po. Request yung Antipolo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkakas sa atin. Salamat sa suporta ng mga churches na Diana, Sinanway, Fairview, Sinanway, Nabaliches, Nabaliches, Naging also yung family ko na speak ako ay nandun sila hindi kahit ko at paraan ko na rin yun para hindi sila pumunta ng beach. Ngayon po ay ang aking pag-iilan nila yan, reflection ay yung unang salita ng Panginoon saan ay kahit nasa gitna ng mismong kalagayan niya habang nakapako sa krus, ang mga salita niya ay nagbigkas ng may kapangyarihan at pag-ibig. Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do. Lucas 23:34. Ang mga salitang ito ay hindi lang nagbigay ng kabal ng puso ng Diyos, but also demonstrate two powerful truths: the power of forgiveness and the power of prayer. Thank you. Mayroon salamat sa pagkakataon nito ay kami po magbibigay ng salita. Sabayan po sa inyo ang isipan sa iyo po. Amen. The power in His Word in the first saying of Jesus. There is power in the first saying at ito po yung the power of forgiveness. Unang-una, isa sa napansin ko, bakit ito ay powerful? Bakit ito ay nakaangka sa isang prophecy? Ito po'y matatagpuan sa Isaiah 53. Dahil dito siya ay aking pararangalan kasama ng mga dakila at makapangyarihan. Sapagkat kusang loob niya ibinigay ang sarili at nakibahagi sa parusa ng masasama. Inako niya ang mga makasalanan at idinalangin sila'y patawaran. Hindi siya biglang reaction lang, but a grand manifestation of God's divine will. Anything that has been promised and written in prophecy has authority, has power. Pangalawa, it has the power of forgiveness of enemies. Jesus' words stopped the hand of God that would strike His enemies. In Isaiah, yun yung sa binasa ko kanina, sapagkat kusang loob niya binigay ang sarili at nakibahagi. Sabi nga ni Dr. Tim Keller, sabi nga, forgiveness then, according to him, is a form of voluntary suffering in forgiving rather than retaliating. You make a choice to bear the cost. Sabi niya, forgiveness as voluntary suffering and restraining power. Forgiveness daw as a display of God's power and grace. Pangatlo, ito ay forgiveness. Power of forgiveness is ignorance. Pagpapatawad sa gitna ng pamamahan. Even though ang Jew at ay mayroong mga sufficient evidence na i-recognize siya. At ang mga Roman soldier acted on their ruler's order. Jesus asked for forgiveness for their ignorance. This shows that forgiveness can extend even those who don't fully understand their last panglima. Under the power of forgiveness, forgiveness has power to forgive all. Ang pagpapatawad po para sa lahat, ang kapatawaran ng Diyos ay naging bukas sa lahat through Jesus, even the greatest sinner. At sabi nga dito sa Acts 13:38-34, note then that through Him, O Jesus, forgiveness of sin is proclaimed to you, and in Him, everyone who believes is justified. Ang passage na ito to emphasize that through Jesus, forgiveness is proclaimed and made available to all who believe. Pangalawa, ang first saying ni Jesus sa krus ay hindi lang may power of forgiveness because it declares at nagpagpakita puso the power of prayer. The power of prayer for enemies. Jesus demonstrated the importance of praying for those who cause pain and suffering. Ang panalangin ay hindi lang pag-express ng ating vulnerability, but also opens the door for transformation of our enemy's heart. Kung mababasin nyo in the second section, handong kaagad, it opens the mind of one of the criminal. Pangalawa, prayer. Prayer has power for forgiveness and transformation. Jesus asked the Father to forgive them and to give them the new mindset. Prayer seeks spiritual gains, hindi lang temporal pardon. And prayer as a manifestation of God's Christian love. Pray for the enemy is a unique characteristic of Christianity, showing a love that forgives and seeks for good for all. Prayer demonstrates patience and trust in God. The power of prayer also opens God's ears, or prayer that God hears. So Jesus' prayer was heard by the Father, and He continues to hear our prayer. And lastly, prayer against ignorance. Prayer has the power to bring light against ignorance. Prayer brings wisdom. That's the power of prayer. In conclusion, with this opening salvo from the cross, Jesus showed us the power of forgiveness and prayer. So let's forgive and pray like Him, and see His word change us. And to those who wrong, tayo rin na namin. Salamat, Panginoon.